Hello there guys, Sam again with another video review. Today we are going to make a little demonstration on the Wi-Fi controller RGB Lite. This one can be controlled via smartphone with Android and iOS compatible devices. So it has SmartLink and timer also function. So let's open the box and see what we have inside. So firstly we have some info in English, as you can see over here. Also you can see which application you should download in order to work with your smartphone, and some other info over here. So first we have a little needle, I guess this one is to reset the device, and two screws. Let's take out the device. Here we have the actual product. Over here you can see we have DC 12 up to 24 volts. It has an output 4 amps. And over here you can see the connectivity, the voltage, minus and plus. So this is the cap, and these are the two screws to screw it in place. So let's connect it and see how it works. Okay, so here you can see the connection. Over here you can see the positive and the negative. And goes over here the Wi-Fi controller. This cable over here is the positive and negative from the power supply. And over here you can see we gave the white cable for the 12 volt, red, green and blue. So that's all what you need to connect with your RGB LED strip, and this is the result.